Before you book your next trip, pause for a moment. The difference between a stressful journey and the best vacation of your life comes down to a few powerful travel hacks. I've learned these the hard way. Missed flights, lost luggage, overpaying, but now I'm sharing the real gems. Whether you're a first-timer or a seasoned explorer, these 10 advanced travel strategies for 2025 will transform your experience. We're about to change how you pack, book, and breeze through airports. Ready? Let's make your next trip unforgettable. Booking flights can feel like a game. Prices change in a blink. Here's your first hack. Always search in an incognito or private browser window to avoid price hikes based on your search history. Next, book midweek, Tuesday or Wednesday, when airlines adjust fares to compete. Avoid weekends when demand spikes. Grab your coffee, go incognito, and start your search midweek. You'll be surprised at the deals you find. Don't just stick to one airline's website. Use Google Flights for its Explore map, Skyscanner for global deals, and Hopper to predict price drops. These tools together help you discover new destinations and snag the best prices. Google Flights shows you where you can go for less. Skyscanner finds hidden budget carriers. Hopper tells you when to buy. Combine them for unbeatable results. Packing doesn't have to be stressful. Roll your clothes instead of folding. They'll take up less space and stay wrinkle-free. Pair rolling with packing cubes to organize everything: shirts, pants, socks, even electronics. It's like having drawers in your suitcase, no more digging for that one missing sock. You'll unpack in seconds and be ready to explore. Packing smart is packing happy. Lost luggage happens. Be ready. Always pack a full change of clothes in your carry-on. If your bag is delayed, you'll feel fresh and ready to go, not stuck in yesterday's travel clothes. It's a tiny investment of space for huge peace of mind. Trust me, you'll thank yourself if you ever need it. Dead devices can ruin a trip. Pack a compact travel power strip, turn one outlet into many. Pair it with a universal adapter for international travel. Charge all your devices overnight, anywhere in the world. No more fighting for outlets or prioritizing what to charge. Stay powered up and stress-free. Airport security doesn't have to be chaos. Pick the line with seasoned travelers, not just the shortest one. Be ready, ticket and ID in hand, laptop and liquids accessible, slip-on shoes. Move efficiently and you'll be at your gate while others are still fumbling. Be the traveler everyone wants to follow. Preparation is your secret weapon. Security can be smooth, if you plan ahead. Don't rely solely on your phone for vital info. Carry both digital and printed copies of your passport, IDs, and reservations. Email scans to yourself or save them in the cloud. If your phone or bag disappears, you'll still have access to everything. 10 minutes of prep can save your entire trip. Travel insurance isn't optional, it's essential. Emergencies happen: illness, accidents, lost bags, cancellations. Your regular insurance may not cover you abroad. Get comprehensive coverage for medical, trip interruptions, and lost luggage. It's a small price for peace of mind. Protect your adventure. Don't skip this step. Don't get ripped off at the airport. Research local ride apps. Uber isn't everywhere. Download and set up accounts before you go. Public transport is often cheaper and gives you a taste of local life. Check if your hotel offers a shuttle. Arrive calm, collected, and with more money in your pocket. Public Wi-Fi is risky. Use a VPN to protect your data. It's a simple app that keeps your info safe from hackers. For social grace, learn 5 key phrases in the local language. Hello, please, thank you, excuse me, and do you speak English? A little effort goes a long way. Locals appreciate it, and it opens doors. Digital safety and human connection, both are essential. That's how you turn a trip into an experience. There you have it, 10 hacks for smarter, safer, and more joyful travel. These tips save money, reduce stress, and unlock better experiences. Travel is about memories, not mishaps. Where will you go next? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more expert travel tips. Prepare, explore, and enjoy every journey. See you out there.